Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful bready naans that are super flavorful, super easy, and the ingredients are easy to find in the pantry. Naans are such a delicacy and can easily be paired with anything, especially tandoori masala and chicken curry, which they're known for. They are super bready and so filling and can easily make you feel like you're having bread and butter on the same dish. So I'll begin by adding warm water onto the bowl, and I'm mixing about 1 cup of warm water, and then I'll add 3 tablespoons of sugar, and this is just to activate the yeast to bloom, and then 2 tablespoons of yeast, and then I will add some salt as well for the flavor, and this is about 1 tablespoon of salt. I'll mix everything together and cover it up with a kitchen cloth. I will then begin to chop up some garlic cloves and coriander. About 5 garlic cloves would do. You don't need much since it's just the glaze for the naans. And once I'm done chopping them up, I'll mix them into some melted butter. Once this process is done, I'll now check on my yeast if it has bloomed, and it looks pretty good. I'm now going to be adding the all-purpose flour. About 4 cups of all-purpose flour will do, unsifted, and then I will be adding my warm milk. I will knead the mixture for about 6 minutes, and then once it comes together, I'm now going to start making round balls. So once it's on the pan, I'm just going to let it rise as the above. And what I love about this recipe is how the naans get to rise so well. And then I'll just take it out and then glaze some butter on top. Basting it with a brush makes it easier. So that's it for my naan tutorial, guys. Please subscribe for more videos as such and more recipes to come. Thanks for watching.